You're sitting under hashtag Africa. We're at Afrotopia National Gallery of Zimbabwe. What do you love most about our continent?
Uh, I love how. Oof, okay. Unfortunately,
Uh-oh.
Zimbabwe is not extremely cultural, but I love how the rest of Africa, anyone who's not in the south, are really in contact with themselves, their culture, and all of that. I think it's really beautiful. There's just so much going on here besides, poverty and disease. So it's a beautiful place.
It's a beautiful place.
Extremely beautiful.
And so I believe that Zimbabwe, while I love Africa, I believe Zimbabwe is the best country in the world. And that until we connect with our culture, we won't realize how great we are. So you mentioned that our culture is important. What about our culture, in your perspective, do you think more Zimbabweans need to tap into to be great?
I think we do. Actually, that's a very interesting question because that's what I study. I'm a visual artist.
Okay.
So that is like my main subject. Like we need to go back to our roots. There's so many secrets and power and knowledge and all of that we lost, and we don't even know our history before colonization. All we know is Mbuyane-Handa and Chimurenga and war struggles, and soon after that, we don't know about how great we were. There's just so many secrets in there that we need to uncover if we just take the effort to go back where we came from, our original selves. We can be so much more than just what we are right now.
Zimbabwe, you heard that for yourself. We're so much more than what we are right now. So where can people view your work?
Mbare Art Space in Mbare Students, like central Mbare. Very cool space. You guys should come through.
And last but certainly not least, what is your name and where can people see your work online?
Yananiso Kunaka, and you can see my work at Yana_ZW on Instagram.
Perfect. Thank you so much.